Hi guys, hi YouTube, hi lovely viewers, welcome to the TTV channel. Today I'm making a video of how to make rice water. Yes, I use this rice water to make my hair to grow thicker and healthy. Yes, rice water is very important to our natural hair. So here I use our Italian rice and African rice that I have at home. I mix both of them. Then I'm stirring it, and here I made warm water. So I added the warm water to rinse the rice, to wash it little. We have to clean it. It has to be clean before using it, guys. We need to wash the rice. So that is what I'm doing. I'm using the warm water. Warm, not hot. Warm water. So there, you will see that I'm using the warm. Now I'm throwing away the dirty water from the rice. So this is how I do mine. You can see. And over there I have empty container bottle. You can use anything you have. And I'm still using 3T essential oil. I'm using rosemary essential oil and peppermint essential oil. So now I'm still rinsing the rice. You can see how I'm doing this, guys. I have to shut up my mouth so that you guys will watch and understand better. So now I'm pouring everything into this container, this glass container. Yes, pour everything inside. Then after you have finished pouring it, then you can add your warm water. I said warm water, not hot water. So I stirred it, and now I cover it and I leave it for 2 days, guys. You can leave it 3 days if you want, but this I left it for 2 days. Yes, you can see it. Then I've made one already before making this video so that it will be easy for us. Yes, this is the one that I made 2 days ago. You can see it, the rice water. Oh yes, now I can shake it. After shaking it very well, I can then remove some of the water from it, and that is your rice water. Then I took that. Let me shut up, guys. Wash. After doing this, I add some 3T essential oils in it because I love the perf of essential oil, and essential oils are important. Sorry guys, I'm having cold, always having cold. So this is my rice water, guys. Yeah, it is ready, but I prefer to add it in this bottle so that it is easy for me to apply whenever I want. So this will last me for 3 or 4 days. Yes, if it is more than, just put it every day, put it in the fridge, store it in the cold place in the fridge, anywhere you want to put it, but let it be cold place. Here I'm adding my essential oil, 3T essential oil and co. So that is it, guys. Wash and see. Thank you, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video. Ciao. So guys, thank you for watching. This is how I make my rice water, how I make it and how I use it on my natural hair, and it has been working for me. It makes your hair thicker, and try it out and see. I added essential oil, 3 tea essential oil. I added rosemary essential oil and peppermint essential oil. They help to grow our hair fast and thick and healthy. And 3 tea is very good for our hair, our children's hair, especially when they are going to school. Just put it in a little spray bottle and spray it on their hair. It will help any type of insect not to enter in their hair scalp. And I'll be trying these things, even light not enter their hair when they are in school. So guys, try this out and let me know. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video. Ciao ciao.